Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing out there. Today is another video. I got the DJI Mini RTH. I bought this from Hong Kong. Guys, I'm going to do a test flight. I'm novice. This is my second flight. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video. While you're watching the video, please consider liking the video and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Well, the battery is here. You know, the propellers are here. Make sure you take this off first before you take the flight. Guys, I hope you enjoy. Yeah, so I'm standing here. What I want to do is I want to fly the drone to that direction. Well guys, thank you so much for joining me landing this beautiful drone. You know, I bought this from Hong Kong. You know, yeah, as a content creator, I just need something that would do the job, and I believe this drone is actually doing exactly what I wanted it for. Yeah, well, I need to go land this drone now, guys. Sorry. Okay. All right. That's it. That's the test for today. We finished. Thank you so much. If you did enjoy this amazing video with our DJI, please consider liking the video and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. You know, I do travel content, so this I purposely bought this for just travel content. So guys, I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like the video, and if you want to watch more drone shots or drone tutorials or drone videos, thank you so much. I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.